Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to insert text box in Google Docs. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here to Insert, and then click on Drawing and New. Now this will open up this drawing window where you can select text box and then just draw your text box however you would like it to be, and then type your text. Now simply press save and close, and now your text box is right here. If you want to edit the content of your text box, simply click on this pencil icon, edit. You can simply edit your text and then press save and close again. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.